the categories are really distinct when we talk about regional center funding. So these are two services provided through the California State Regional Center system. And independent living skills, it's called ILS or independent living, is really a focus on with people that either live in their own place or are looking to live in their own place. They may live with their parents now, but looking to move out in the near future, something like that. And it's a time-limited service that's really focused on skill building, whether it's how to access your community, doing budgeting, cooking, anything that sort of supports the idea of living more independently or living in your own place. And usually the amount of support hours available or that are authorized for someone that receives ILS or independent living skills services is usually somewhere around 25 hours a month. Okay, so it's you again focusing on skills, but not really focusing on supports that people with more significant disabilities might need. Supported living services is for basically anyone that wants to live in their own place, whether they rent or lease or rent a room, or some people are fortunate enough to actually even work towards owning their own place. We've assisted one gentleman and his roommate to actually go ahead and purchase their own home, which happened in like 2017, which was real exciting. Based on their job income, they figured they could do it. The rents were going up, so that worked out really good. I also support two ladies, one in her 80s and one in her 70s, that each live in the homes they grew up in. So their parents left the homes to them, which was great foresight, but that way they're very comfortable living where they're living now, and we continue to provide supports to them. And supported living services will provide as much support as people need to live safely and securely in their own place and to be included within their greater community. And that includes people that need 24/7 support 7 days a week to be safe in their own place. So we believe anybody that has a desire to live in their own place can live in their own place through one of those two supports.